Refined grading tones define professional imagery, and building them step by step ensures every adjustment serves a visual purpose. How to design professional grading tones. Launch Photoshop and place your image onto a canvas approximately 2,000 pixels wide, converting the layer into a smart object for flexibility. Start with a levels adjustment layer to correct exposure and set a clean tonal range. Add a color balance adjustment layer and gently refine shadows, midtones, and highlights so each tonal region complements the others. Introduce a gradient map layer with subtle hues and reduce opacity until